here in Gainesville, Florida, on this beautiful day off the corner of 35th Boulevard and Archer Road. Got a little stuff back, so let's come on to the Joint Chiropractic. Let's see what they can do for me. Hello, I'm here for an appointment. I already checked in through the app. Thank you. Thanks for the visit.
Yes, sir. You have a great rest of your day.
You too. Goodbye. The Joint Chiropractic of Gainesville, Florida, off the corner of 34th Boulevard and Archer Road. Come now. $29 for your first visit.